Hello, welcome to Arca Studio. Want to create beautiful crochet mesh patterns? Here is the easiest and most basic mesh creating grid of squares. Mesh or spaces in crochet is a great way to create lightweight items like market bags, beach cover ups, or airy scarves. These designs are typically beginner friendly because they rely on simple stitches and repetitive patterns. It's perfect for practicing consistent tension. Let's begin with slip knot and foundation chains. I have used cotton yarn and 4.5 mm hook. For mesh, always use bigger size of the hook. Start with 20 foundation chains plus 5 chains to start new row. Yarn over and insert hook in the sixth chain from the hook, and it makes first double crochet and a space. Skip stitches to create spaces. So let's create pattern of chain 2, skip 2 stitches and 1 double crochet on the third chain from the hook. Repeat the pattern across the row. You can see here the first space is smaller than the second and third. This totally depends on your tension. If you crochet loose, the space becomes big, and if you crochet tight, the space or mesh becomes smaller. Row 3 repeat as row 2, same as row 2. That's how crochet fillet mesh or net patterns are created. Turn this crochet mesh into beautiful gifts such as soap pouches, produce or market bags, bookmarks, scrunchies, boho hair accessories, bandana, etc. Because they are quick to make, lightweight for shipping, and eco conscious gifting items. Thanks for stitching along with me. I hope you enjoyed learning this beautiful fillet mesh crochet pattern. With just simple chains and double crochet, you can create endless geometric and lace style designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more easy and creative crochet tutorials, tell me in the comments what would you love to make using fillet mesh. Until next time, bye. Happy crocheting from Arca Studio by Vandana.